Maximize productivity and smarten your design process with new artificial intelligence and user-driven capabilities in Solid Edge. Let's explore these enhancements with Solid Edge customer Subfina's Race Neo automated super finishing machine. We'll focus on the polishing tool and fixture for these high-performance motorsport roller bearings. By expanding the assembly features in Pathfinder, we notice a hole and cutouts were added at the assembly level and need to be completed with a rounded chamfer. This can be solved by reordering the assembly features with the new, simple, drag-and-drop process that resembles reordering part features. This allows you to move the parent and child features together, keeping your model organized. The polishing tool has a 3D printed component that requires 2 holes to be added. To ensure appropriate fit and assembly for the 3D printed threads, we can define additional clearance values using the hole command. These values can be input as either a percentage or absolute value. By selecting percentage, the internal diameter will increase by a percentage of the nominal diameter, which is seen in relation to the sketch. We can also switch the option to absolute to enter a specific measurement. To finish off the assembly, a polishing tool can be added to the bottom of the cylinder. By adding a mate, planar align, and axial align with the hole, the component now matches the main assembly. Using the new Resolve Relationship Conflict dialog box, we can easily identify and suppress conflicting relationships to resolve them swiftly. This new tool helps streamline part placement and assembly relationships. Hovering over listed conflicting relationships in the dialog highlights them graphically. One or more relationships can be suppressed at a time until the requested relationship turns green. The improved Replace Part command leverages artificial intelligence to predict solutions for replacing a single component occurrence constrained to a neighboring component within an assembly. The AI predictions support planar and axial align relationships and present the solutions in a secondary dialog, allowing users to preview and select the most suitable option for executing the replacement. Enhancements to the variable table filters provide quick and easy access to filter options, resulting in an efficient experience that reduces both time and mouse clicks. The variable table can be used to reposition the polishing tools and ensure they will contact the bearing in the correct locations. With numerous variables in the assembly, the results can be filtered by user-created, system-created, or both. Another great option for filtering is to only view variables relative to selected components. This makes it easy to find the swivel angle variable and make a change. The vertical height of the polishing tool can also be changed by updating the NC axis value. Continuing to smarten your design process while maximizing productivity with AI and user-driven enhancements. Solid Edge. Unleash the power of intelligent product design.